It could be said that the Federalist Papers were essentially about one very important thing: political freedom. The authors of these significant and historic essays wrote extensively about how the proposed Constitution would create a form of government that would make it possible for politics to work well in the new republic. And since politics is all about how to distribute power, of utmost importance is preserving private property and individual rights in accordance with the rule of law. At least, that's what the framers of our country said and wrote. People often make the mistake of referring to the U.S. as a democracy. But in a pure democracy, a majority faction would endanger the persons and property of others. This is often referred to as tyranny of the majority. That is, the little guy gets pushed around by the group. However, in our constitutional republic, there are strict limits on power, so that the individual is protected from his neighbors and government. Our constitutional structure, envisioned by the framers, has essentially saved us from ourselves. As James Madison said, you must enable the government to control the governed, and in the next place, oblige it to control itself. Madison argued that the large size of the new republic would further protect it from factions who would try and seize power for their own sake and violate the rights of others. He thought that by creating a large electorate, we would have more fit characters running for office, and it would be harder for unworthy candidates to be successful. The Constitution provides internal controls, the checks and balances of each branch of government keeping within the bounds of the Constitution, and also external controls applied by the states to ensure the federal government did not exceed its constitutional powers. Ideas of a large republic, of dual state and federal sovereignty, and of separation of powers, of the entire structure of the Constitution itself, are the guarantees of the political rights of Americans. And these ideas that were advanced in the Federalist Papers were crucial to forming the republic we have today.